Ang sinasabi ko na lang ganito. I voted for that resolution, that motion filed by Senator De La Rosa with the caveat that for the number 2 item, I explained my vote. I even filed a 10-page expositio ampla, which is now part of the records of the. I hope you can have this.
Yes. Can you please send that, sir? Yeah. Please send that. Yeah.
Explaining everything kasi ang haba nito, Karen. Ang sinabi ko dito, and I even talked to Senator De La Rosa personally because he mentioned the words competence. Sabi niya, the words competence would refer to a scenario for international arbitration tribunals deciding for themselves whether they have the jurisdiction. So how can a soon to be created, if it is ever created, 20th Congress Impeachment Court decide if they have jurisdiction or not? Para sa akin, it ends with the determination, the lifespan of the 19th Congress, which is supposed to be on June 30.